Drilling is the most expensive, irreversible, and time-consuming process in PCB manufacturing. It is considered critical and a bottleneck of the PCB fabrication process. Drilling is creating holes in circuit boards with optimum drill parameters such as speed, infeed, and retract. There are two types of drilling technologies: mechanical drilling and laser drilling. Mechanical drills are easy to execute. Using drill bits, the smallest hole diameter that can be drilled is approximately 6 mil. Consequently, laser drilling is a non-contact process in which the workpiece and the tool do not come into contact. It is used to drill blind and buried vias with ease. You can create a minimum hole of 4 mil with precision with laser drilling. The aspect ratio decides a PCB's reliability. It determines the ability to deposit copper effectively inside the vias. Ideal aspect ratio here is 10:1. For a through hole, the aspect ratio is the ratio between the PCB thickness and the diameter of the drilled hole. For microvias, it's the ratio between the depth of the hole to the diameter of the drilled hole. Ideal aspect ratio here is 0.75:1. The drill to copper is the clearance between the edge of the drilled hole to the nearest copper feature. The nearest copper feature can be a copper trace, copper pore, or any other active copper region. The recommended minimum drill to copper value is around 8 mil. The drilled holes are classified into plated and non-plated holes. The plated holes are signal-carrying conductive vias that connect different layers in a PCB. The non-plated holes are non-conductive and hold the components in position during the PCB assembly process. The PCB drilling must be executed carefully, as even a minor error can result in significant losses. At Sierra Circuits, our drilling facility operates 24 hours a day using top-of-the-line Schmal machines. We also have vision drill capabilities, which allow for a plus or minus 1 mil tolerance on hole placement. While each drill bit can withstand 300 hits, Sierra changes bits at 200 hits because drilling a clean hole is critical to quality.